Are you someone who has an amazing idea that can change the world? Or are you someone who wants to change the world? Are you someone who keeps complaining, world is not kind enough, world is not positive enough, world is not good enough? What if I told you you had the power to change it all? So watch till the end of the video to learn this amazing model by Mahatma Gandhi ji, which can help you become a change maker in the world. Hello guys, welcome to Models of Excellence, where we teach you tools, strategies and models to help you lead an excellent life. The model that we are going to be learning is from Mahatma Gandhi ji, the great man who fought for the freedom of India, with of course many other amazing freedom fighters too. But one thing that really set him apart was he was the walking embodiment of what he believed in, which was satyagraha, non-violence. He followed it. You rarely see a lot of people who follow what they say, right? But he followed it. And you know what? This model can help you. Mahatma Gandhi ji said, be the change that you want to see in the world. Actually, there's a problem. He did not say that. I believed that he said it too. But when I was planning for this video, I realized when I checked, I found out that he did not say it. But he said something even more profound, but a very similar thing. What he said was, we but mirror the world. All the tendencies present in the outer world are to be found in the world of our own body. If we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change. As a man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of the world changes towards him. This is the divine mystery supreme. A wonderful thing it is and the source of our happiness. We need not wait to see what others do. Now, to simplify that, he just said that you don't have to wait for others to make the change. You start the change. You be the change. And the world will change according to what you change in yourself. Now, why does this work? There are two reasons. And these are logical reasons, okay? Two logical reasons. I'm not going to go into spirituality or anything. Two logical reasons why this will help you make a change in the world. First reason is monkey see, monkey do. And we are not that different from monkeys or any other lot of animals. We get good at copying people, right? Remember the time when you were a kid and then your senior in your school said some bad words and you just started saying the same bad words. You didn't know the meaning, but you started saying it. You just said it. Why? Because you were copying from people, and we all copy from other people, right? All we are is traits from other people that we have copied a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there. And this is exactly why when we see someone doing very well in life, we feel like we want to do the same. Which is why if your circle or if your group is filled with people who are very good at what they do or who are high achievers, you are more likely to be a high achiever as well, because that is your closest circle. And you also copy from them, see what they do and then copy. Now let's imagine if you had a group of friends who are not high achievers, but they sat you down, they lectured you on how to be a high achiever. Chances are it'll be like it came through one ear, it left to the other. It's like you weren't even hearing. So when you do that, it's easy for people to imitate from you and copy your values and copy your beliefs. The second reason why it works so well is that you will be able to attract right kind of people. You'll be able to attract people who have similar values, habits and beliefs as you. And when you have right people around, you can accomplish a goal a lot quicker. You can help them accomplish their goals too. And it's just an amazing circle to have because it keeps you focused, it keeps you motivated, it keeps you on the track. And these are the two amazing reasons why you should B, you should follow the change that you want to see in the world. Once you change, the whole world begins to change. In fact, I'll tell you a small personal story that worked for me. I tried this. I was not good at speaking, I was not good at communication, but I wanted to help people. So my first thing was, let me improve. I started experimenting with personal development. I started communicating, speaking to people. I started making videos. And that's when I became good at it. And only after that, I was teaching people on how to communicate. Until then, I never spoke. So I became the change that I want to see the world. And then, guess what happened? People started coming to me and asking me, hey, how do you do that? How do you do this? A lot of people in my circle are good communicators. A lot of people in my circle are trainers, are high achievers. And that is how my circle changed. I was literally able to see my circle change. From my old friends, to new circles, to new ideas, to new beliefs that were in line with mine. And it was amazing. So go ahead, follow this model, be the change that you want to see in the world, and you will begin to realize that the world will change according to that. With that said, if you felt like you learned something new, leave a like and subscribe so that you won't miss any other models of excellence videos that we upload.